Hi guys, this is Judd of the channel here today, and I just bought some new shoes and a backpack and a new t-shirt.
Backpack?
It's right here.
Okay, now, so I'm mounting up.
And then I'm going to show you my backpack. So this is my backpack. I was in the rain
You spent the time.
because in England,
Yeah, on that.
and then
There you go.
here is my shoes that I'm going to be unboxing. So yeah, for some reason, why are they like that? So as you guys can see, here are my shoes that I got before. I haven't tried one yet, but hopefully I will. I'll do a video on it. So yeah, I have a key rings here still, and so I'm gonna do comparison. Here's my old trainers.
New
They're
education.
pretty basic football.
It's too early
They're
yet.
pretty basic football boots, and I've had it for about maybe 2 months, 5 months, I don't know, but they're crap anyway. So yeah. And then I'm gonna take my other shoe off. And then, so, and I got new gloves. Yeah. And then, and then, so, I'm gonna put my new shoes on right now. The key ring here, I don't know. But if you like the video, go to subscribe and leave a like this video and 1,000 comments if you like my new shoes. If you like my new shoes. I'm just going to take these out. And then I'm going to put it. Oh, no, it's someone else. And then, look. So, here is my new shoe on me. Tell me if it looks nice, because I'm going to be wearing them for school tomorrow. So, here it is. And then my new shoes. Okay, no. My backpack. My backpack once again. So I put my AirPods in my backpack. Yeah, I'm gonna take my shoes off right now. And then I'm gonna show you some. I'll show. Call it your face so you can show.
No one's not allowed in.
You need an haircut before you start filming those kids.
Yeah.
Haircut. So?
Right, but I don't care about that. I'm letting them fit. I'm letting them fit.
Well, if you choose for some training,
So, that on. here's my Christmas hat. Put down in the comments if you like it. So I like that too.
Get down.
I like that too.
Get down.
So
You know what is it?
here's Nash. Say hi, Nash. Say hi, Nash. So that is Nash. By the way, I'm going to be like, when would you like to do a face reveal?
Down.
Yeah, just time to channel Roblox Live. So I guess, yeah. That's it. So, see you guys